Hello there. Today we're highlighting our new telephone entry kit, the IXGS-TE. The kit gives you what you need for a simple telephone entry system that can also call clients' mobile apps. First off, we have the heart of the system, the IXGW-TGW. It can connect to AT&T's 4G LTE network for telephone calling and network, and it's also your link to Aiphone Cloud for programming and setting up mobile apps. Next up, we have our flush mount box. And then we have our entrance panel, the IXG-DM7 HIDA. This touchscreen entrance panel can be used to call tenants, enter in access codes, or use the built-in card reader. And that's it. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Thanks for watching.